You can't transform yourself. You can't make yourself sane. You can't make yourself loving. You can't make yourself unselfish.
I don't even know if I'm famous.
And yet it's absolutely necessary that we be. We are going to hand over.
Wait, it's the kids next door?
I'm still the same kid by the corner store. I'm still the same kid, always wanting more. The only thing changed, I don't break the law no more. I got same sheets, I'm still just like before. I'm still the same kid who was knocking on doors. I'm still the same nigga, always ready for a war. Only thing changed, I don't feel no pain no more. I cannot change, no. Said I cannot change, no. I'm still the same nigga, and I cannot change, My niggas back at home, they scared to hit me up. They told me now you famous, we ain't reaching out. Since I told you but you ain't calling out. But I see you on the road, that's where we really proud. He told me if you need me, you could call me. Second in Gabby's up, you never know. You can switch on me, but on she luggage. Even though I'm slowly changing, they still got me. You wasn't even there when we lost Peavy. He never got to see your song on TV. Little sister growing up, she don't even know me. I'm busy blowing up, she don't even know me. I'm still the same kid by the corner store. I'm still the same kid, always wanting more. The only thing changed, I don't break the law no more. I got same sheets, I'm still just like before. I'm still the same kid who was knocking on doors. I'm still the same nigga, always ready for a war. Only thing changed, I don't feel no pain no more. I cannot change, no. Said I cannot change, no. I'm still the same, and I cannot change, I'm still the same kid, deep inside. I never change, now no fights. The only thing changed, I don't break the law no more. I ain't even proud of shit I did before. I'm still the same kid, once I ain't up He be the same niggas who be calling for favors. He be the same niggas who be claiming I change. I cannot change, no.
But your breath goes on day in and day out.
Said I cannot change, no.
Thinking of it. The same way your brain is functioning.
I cannot change, no.
So when you come to a dead end, and we are individually and socially now in 1971 at a dead end. This is the moment at which it is said man's extremity is God's opportunity. Because we have to stop. And when we stop, we find a world that is happening rather than being done, being shoved. And that happening, as distinct from doing, is our fundamental self.